a quiet and relaxed retreat. Charming home sits on an oversized corner lot just 0.25 miles from River Park, Santiam River and Boat Launch. Crown molding, high ceilings, roomy kitchen, walk-in pantry, large mud laundry room, hardwood floors, master on main west/guest bed on second floor, ductless heating cooling west/heat pump, plus forced air gas furnace. Mature landscaping, private fenced backyard, sitting area under stately evergreen Myrtlewood tree, in-ground sprinkler system, new garden shed, and garage west/workshop.